What up, YouTube? Bring you guys an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 7. This is the Coral Blue edition. As you can see, the box is just like they had it with the S7 and the S7 Edge. Nice plain black box. You can see at the top it's like 64 gigs right there. Let's go ahead and take that cover off. It's got the seal. Shut the whole tape just to get that seal cut. Let's go ahead and take a look in the box. You can see it right there. The brand new Samsung Galaxy Note 7. Let's go ahead and take it out. First impressions. Seems lighter than a Note 5, just a tad. Very comfortable to hold in the hand. Got that icy feel in the hand, ice cold, which it's always good. Go ahead and take a look at what else is in the box. Got your usual papers and stuff. The SIM and micro USB ejector tool. Inside you got your usual documents. At the bottom you have your USB connector. Your USB-C charging cable and your wall adapter. You also have some headphones, you know, the regular Samsung headphones. You can open these up. It's all in the plastic. Alright, it's an unboxing. Let's get it open. Your regular Samsung. Also have your S Pen removal tool. The tips of the S Pen. You can replace it. Definitely seems smaller. And you also have your micro USB to micro USB to USB-C adapter. So that means I don't have to use these new cables. I can stick with my old ones and I'll just have to slap this on. Anyway, put that aside. Back to the phone. Now, off rip, this color kind of looks like the color I have on the Note. Well, at certain angles, the old black one is actually really like blue, but this is a little bit lighter. You have the gold accents around the phone. Let's go ahead and peel the paper off. Front screen. Pretty satisfying sound. take the back off. Now we'll take the stick off. Let's go ahead and go around the phone. Start off at the bottom. You have your S Pen. Seems more, definitely seems more flush with the bottom. Makes it look a little bit premium, better and more premium feel to it. You have your your speaker at the bottom, Speed'em. You have your noise cancellation or mic. You have your USB Type-C, headphone jack at the bottom. Left side you have the volume up, volume down. Right side you have only the power button. And at the top you have your SIM card and SD card slot, which they brought the SD card slot back for the Note, which was gone. So we're gonna go ahead and power this bad boy on. Samsung Galaxy Note 7, Android, powered by Android. Test out that sound for the first time. Seems I don't know, seems a bit louder than the S7 Edge. So go ahead and get started. Insert SIM. We're gonna just go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi so we can, you know, play around with it for a little bit. It's an unboxing. Doesn't have to be quick. People get a chance to enjoy the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and set it up real quick. It definitely feels great in the hand. If you guys like these tech videos, hit that like button, subscribe and comment, help support the channel, help us grow. While we putting this in for a moment. And we have connected. Well, it says incorrect password. Go ahead and try it again. Let's check the password again. Let's go ahead and connect. It seems like we got a connection. Let's go to next. I'm gonna set this up as a new device, so we're not gonna put none of that extra stuff in there. Diagnose, sure, why not? I agree. Let's go ahead and sign into Google. I always like the bigger screen. It definitely makes typing easy for me because I got big thumbs. Excuse me. I accept. Automatically backup device data such as Wi-Fi. Sure, we can do that. Let's go ahead next. We rocking with 47% straight out the box, which is pretty low compared to the Galaxy S7 Edge. Maybe because this has been has a smaller battery. That could be a reason for it. Says 1 second. So far, it looks like it's a fingerprint magnet. I heard that the blue one could holds less fingerprints, but so far it doesn't seem to be the case. Because I can clearly see the big mess. Let's go to next. Just the setup is the whole video, huh? That's the first time loading this phone up. While that is loading, we can go ahead and take a look at the size.